Hey, Mommy, can you read me a Christmas listing story? I can't sleep.
Sure, Sydney, I have one right here.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Karen who wanted nothing more in the world than to find a home before Christmas,
I really do want a home for Christmas.
so she could brag to all her Facebook, Twitter and Instagram friends, and of course stick it to the ex-boyfriend who was so stupid for breaking up with her before her birthday.
Last Christmas, I gave him my heart, and the very next day he gave it away.
She searched and searched for the perfect home, but nothing seemed to fit the bill.
But this one right here, this one looks really interesting.
Karen made it very clear that she did not want a home that was too small, nor did she want one that was too large. Otherwise she would sweat in the summer mowing the lawn. And Karen hated sweating.
Sweating is really gross. I don't like it.
And then, just like a Christmas miracle, a talented realtor found her a home that nearly made her post it instantly to Instagram. But she hesitated.
Oh, but wait, does this have an HOA? I hate those things.
A gracious but patient realtor shook her head with a smile.
Oh, thank goodness.
As Karen began to walk through the home, it was love at first sight. She gawked at the kitchen, amazed at the custom cabinetry made of cypress. Oh, this impressed Karen so much. Karen could picture herself posting so many selfies with all the different filters of her cooking from the gas stove, her famous grilled cheese sandwiches.
The trick is to use real butter.
She peered into the living room with glee, imagining herself Netflixed and chilled, then relaxing for an evening in the spacious master bedroom.
The master bathroom!
She giggled with delight when she saw the ensuite master bath with double vanity sinks, standalone shower and jetted tub for those long nights of watching YouTube till the wee hours of the morning.
I really do have a YouTube addiction. Have you seen my real estate agent's YouTube channel? You should really check it out.
Karen's delight didn't end there, as she gazed in awe at the master closet. She was so delighted, in fact she skipped.
I don't skip.
Okay, Karen, you pipe down now and let me tell the story.
Englishmen can be so saucy.
Karen walked briskly to the other carpeted, oversized bedrooms, and she knew that these rooms would be big enough to have many of her Instagram friends over for sleepover parties. She even checked out the laundry room too, even though her mother still cleans all her filthy clothes for her.
You just had to say that, didn't you?
Yes, Karen, I did. Now, Karen's wise realtor directed her to the backyard, as she knew this was important to Karen's wish list. It checked off all the boxes. Not too small, not too big. Just right for those long, hot summer days in Ascension Parish.
Oh, I won't get sweaty in this backyard.
Karen smiled with great enthusiasm in front of the 1,592 square foot home, conveniently located down a one-street neighborhood. Karen was overjoyed. In fact, she even posted the pictures to Facebook using no filters, making all her friends instantly jealous, just like Karen wanted for Christmas. And as for Karen's stupid ex-boyfriend, well, he got the flu for Christmas.
Serves him right. Who breaks up with a girl on her birthday?
And Karen, well, she lived very happily ever after. The end.
So, did she buy the house or not?
No, she did not buy the house. She moved to Canada with a Nigerian prince after receiving an email. But if you'd like some more information about this particular home, you can always go to the details in the description. My name is Christina Smallhorn, your real estate whisperer, and we tell you all this
Because you matter.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Wait, isn't the Nigerian prince thing a scam?
Yeah.
To watch more fairy tale listings, click the playlist over here. To learn more about selling your home, click the playlist over here. And as always, like, share and subscribe. And hit the bell notification so you can live happily ever after.